driving by.
Oh, excellent. So you saw it on the sign. Excellent.
Yeah.
That's great. So have you been looking for a house like this for a long time now?
Yes.
You have? Oh, okay, great. Have you found anything that you liked yet?
I have an agent.
No, you haven't?
I have one.
Oh, you have a house.
No, I have an agent. You said you have a house yet? No,
Oh.
not yet.
You have a real estate agent.
Yes.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay, great. Are you happy with that agent? Do you like working with them?
I didn't get anything yet. Just watching, just take a look on whatever, but I don't get anything yet.
Ah, okay. So I was wondering, would you consider interviewing a new real estate agent who could proactively help you find a house?
I would like, yes. Why not?
Okay, great. So you don't have a contract with your agent or anything?
Not yet, because I'm just looking for places, go see what's going on, and then so not yet, nothing yet.
Oh, okay, great. Well, we'd love to maybe set up a time and meet with you, and then that way we can help you find a house a little quicker.
Okay.
Where do you live? What's a good place to meet?
I'm living in Worcester now.
Oh, Worcester, okay. Well, our office is not too far from Worcester. It's in Westboro. And
Westboro.
yeah, so what we normally do is we can have you come in the office, on a time that's good for you, and we can set up a time to come in and we can show you all the homes that meet your criteria of what you're looking for in the price range you want. And then if you'd like, we can set up times to go out and see maybe 3 houses all at the same time, one after the other. And then it would be a very efficient use of your time that way. Does that sound good?
That sounds good.
Okay, great. So when would be a good time for us to get together? What does your schedule look like?
Today is Friday, and I'm still busy until 4. And Monday is a little bit busy. Monday afternoon, Monday after like 3 or 4 o'clock, is that okay?
That would be perfect. Yeah, let's do 4 o'clock on Monday. That's excellent.
Yeah.
And
But this one is my cell phone. You can send me the address to text me the address
okay.
on my cell phone. That will be great.
Oh, perfect. I will do that. So I'm just going to put
So
your...
can I have the idea of the price of this house that I saw in Leicester?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. 1 second, please. I just moved away from that. I'm on my computer, and I moved away from that screen. Okay. And before I move over to the new screen, what is your name, please? How do I spell your name so I can get that accurate?
Rosette. Rosette.
I'm sorry. The cell phone is kind
That's
of...
the Rose.
Rose.
Rosette.
Okay. Rose.
Fette.
Oh, Rosette. Perfect. I love that. Very
Yeah.
pretty. Very nice name. That's great.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. So, all right. So I'm saving that on my schedule, and I'm going to text you our address. Now, let me go to the screen where it has the information on that house. Okay. There. The asking price on that house is $360,000.
Okay.
Is that a price range that you would considering, or?
No, it's too high for me.
Okay. Oh,
It's too high for me.
that's good.
I like it. I like what I saw, but it's too the price is too high for me.
Yeah, it's a beautiful house from the street, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's beautiful. So, Rosette, have you been pre-approved by a mortgage company yet?
Yes, I tried something and I get I won't afford too much, but
Yes. Okay, good. All right, well, that sounds good. What mortgage company are you using?
I forgot the name. I think it's Remax.
Oh, okay. Well, we can talk about that on Monday too when you come in, but that's fine. And what price range? Just so we're prepared for when you come in, what price range is you
200 and 250.
between 200 and 250 in that range? Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, great. Well, that sounds good. So we will see you Monday at 4 o'clock, and then I will send you the email address. I'm going to text it to you right now so you have it, Rosette, okay?
Okay,
And
all
then
right. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye now.
Bye-bye. And that's how you handle an inquiry.
boom goes the dynamite.
Okay, so since you watched this video to the end, I have a couple of tips for you and a surprise at the end. Number one, answer your phone. This was a weird New York number that came in. You never know who's calling. Yes, 35% of the time I'm getting these calls from these telemarketing people and so on and so forth, but who cares? Answer the phone, deal with it. You never know when a prospect's coming in. You're in sales. Answer your phone. It's amazing how much business I've had over the years just by picking up the phone when no one else would. Second thing I want to really impress upon you is people want help. They're begging to be led. They want to know what to do and how to do it. This buyer already met and spent time with another agent. That agent clearly didn't define the benefits of working exclusively with them and didn't really go through a proactive process of trying to help the buyer. Otherwise, that buyer wouldn't be calling me. She would be working with that other agent. The other thing is, don't give up. Ask the questions. Are they happy with their agent or are they not happy with their agent? As you can tell, there's no allegiance whatsoever. Most agents would hang up after saying, are you working with another agent? And they said yes. Now, here's the bonus. Since you've watched this video to the very end, I don't know how many of you have or how many of you haven't, but if you reply to this email that I sent you saying yes, I'm interested, I will put your name in a drawing to draw out who gets this buyer and can go on this appointment with me Monday at 4 o'clock here in our office, and I will give the buyer to you, okay? A pre-approved buyer. I will give it to you. There's no referral fee due or anything like that. It's just me working hard to help you build your business. And the other thing that I want to do is, I don't know how many of my videos actually get watched or not. So the fact that if you don't watch the next one, you might be missing out on a really solid lead. Who knows, right? So anyway, respond to this email that you received and let me know if you're interested. And I'll put your name in a hat. We'll do a drawing and we'll pick the agent's name out who is available to meet me Monday at 4, and you will get this buyer as a buyer lead. I wish you all the best. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.